Of course, it began in a unique way, but these are things you've seen before. Chili pepper, ginger, garlic, seasoning cubes, salt, onions. This was all it took to set up the meat for a journey of no return. But I will return.
It's Chitty in the kitchen. Niger, chef things. Cooking, 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 clicking, licking, clicking, talking, thinking.
Cover it. Since we all agreed that this was another way to make something no one have seen before, you cannot do without tomatoes, ground fresh tomatoes, and we need to fry it, but I will return.
From clicking the kitchen and kitchen to clicking. Fire they burn, Chitty in the kitchen. Fire they burn, stirring up the magic from dusk till dawn.
Additional. Good people of the universe, that was sliced tomatoes. But that wasn't all that will be sliced. We have onions. That was the beginning of the magic.
Rice, egusi, pepper soup on the run with Chitty in the building. Cooking, learning, thinking, talking, cooking, cooking.
Back to the meat. Remember, we started with meat. Now we have to make progress and progress to the next level.
Cooking, churning, turning. Fire they burn, Chitty in the kitchen. Fire. All my fans when they chop and learn. Now I love they make me churn. From clicking to kitchen and kitchen to clicking, it's Chitty in the building. Chitty in the kitchen, fire the burn, stirring up the magic from dusk till dawn. Jollof rice, egusi, pepper soup on the run since 2013. I saw we the time. Cooking.
Everyone expected this to be the end. You have seen everything. This is how you make assorted meat tomato stew, effortlessly. But alternatively, you could use plain beef, chicken, turkey, any meat you have, and you definitely get the same results as long as you follow the same methods. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the beginning of wonderful days ahead.